Everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Miss Alisha and I am the teen librarian here at Willard Library. And I am so excited to show you our October kits. We are celebrating all things fall, happy fall, and we have a fun little kit for you this month. So let's get right into it. This is what it looks like. You can pick this up from either library location. We have some downtown. We also have some down at the Helen Warner branch. And I would suggest getting them as close to the beginning of the month as you can. We tend to run through these fairly quickly, so try to get them as soon as you can. But let's see what's in here. So this month we are making, show you, this is what your craft will look like when you're done with it. It's a pumpkin made out of beads. It's pretty cute. It'd be a fun decoration or like a fun gift to give to a teacher or a parent or a friend. It's just a cute little fall decoration and it's fun to make. So, in your kit, you should have beads, you should have some pipe cleaners, you should have a green pipe cleaner, you should have a brown pipe cleaner, and you should have 4 orange pipe cleaners. Sorry, I'm taking this apart as I'm showing it to you because I already used these to make a pumpkin once, and now I'm going to show you again. But you should have 4 orange pipe cleaners, and then that's all you really need to make the pumpkin. And then, just for fun, we put some apple cider mix in there. All you do is you pour this into a cup, you pour hot water, be careful, but pour hot water over it, stir it up till it dissolves, and then you have some hot apple cider. It's delicious. It's the perfect time of year to enjoy some cider, so we hope you like that. And then we have, in case you need a refresher after this video, we also have a direction sheet with all of the directions I'm about to go through with you, in case you need a little cheat sheet afterwards. So that should be in there also. And I am going to just untangle the rest of these pipe cleaners real quick so that I can show you, maybe, how to put this pumpkin together. Okay, that took a minute, but I got them untangled. So what you're going to do is you are first going to take your orange pipe cleaners. You're going to take 2 of them, and yours will be straighter than mine because they won't have already been used once. You're going to take 2 pipe cleaners. You are going to cross them in the middle, so you want to make sure you get pretty close to the middle. You're going to cross them into an X like this, and then you are just going to twist them together. Okay, so now you should have a nice little pipe cleaner X. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take another pipe cleaner, you're going to put it vertically through the middle, and then you're going to twist, straighten it back out. Okay, so now you should have your X and your vertical. Now we're going to take our last pipe cleaner, we're going to do it horizontal. Again, you want to try and get as close to the middle as you can. And then twist, straighten it back out. Okay. So now we have this fun spider looking wheel spokes thing. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take your beads. This is easy. It takes the longest, but it's easy. So like, watch a show or a YouTube video, pull up TikTok, I don't know, while you're doing this if you need to, because it'll take you a couple minutes. But you're going to take your beads and you're going to string them on each spoke of your pipe cleaner. And you can do them the way I'm doing them and do one at a time on each, or you can fill a spoke at a time. But what you're going to do, and I'm not going to do all of this right now because you don't want to sit and watch me do that, but you are going to stack your beads all the way up each pipe cleaner, either until you run out or until you have about an inch left at the top. You need some space left at the top for what we're going to do next. So you're going to thread your beads on all of your spokes, and once you have done that, I'm going to show you what you do next. It's going to look a little bit different because I don't have all my beads on, but it's going to be the same thing whether you have the beads on or not. Angle this down so you can see. Okay, so what we're going to do next, normally this would be full of beads, right? But I didn't want to make you wait while I did all that. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold all of these spokes up until they meet in the middle. It's a little bit tricky. It's a little easier with beads on it because it stands better. You're going to fold all these up into the middle, and then you're going to twist all of them. Okay, so you're going to twist them all like that, and then you can kind of shape your pumpkin however you need to. Okay, obviously it'll look a little different with beads on it, but now you've got this stem. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your brown pipe cleaner and you're going to wrap it around. Okay, so you can keep wrapping it or you can cut it off. I don't have scissors with me right now, so I'm going to just keep wrapping it. Okay, now you have your stem. And then I'm going to take the green pipe cleaner. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to wrap this around the base of the stem a couple times. Then I'm going to take a pen, or you can use a pencil, whatever, just something round. And I'm going to wrap the green pipe cleaner around the pen to curl it. I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to do the same thing going the opposite way. On this side, wrap it, take it off, and now you've got your leaves. And that's it, that's your pumpkin. So, with the beads, it'll look a little something like this. It's a fun, easy, quick craft, but it looks pretty cool when it's done. So I hope you have fun making your pumpkin. Hope you enjoy your apple cider. Check our Facebook page, check our website for details on other fun things we have coming up. And I will see you back here in November for our next kit. Bye!